How to order a replacement on Lloyds debit card. In order to order a replacement for Lloyds debit card, you could use the mobile banking or the internet banking itself. So what you need is, first thing first, you want to log in and go to the home page, select help and support from the section and go to lost or stolen card to block it and request a new one. And what you need is log in and find your card and follow the prompt to order a replacement. You can view your new card details in the app on the day after ordering as well. And what you need is, after which you could just simply go ahead and follow in the answering prompt, and you could type in the details like go ahead and enter in such as what has happened to your card and the reason for replacing your card. Once you've done that, you will be able to order a replacement for Lloyds debit card. However, if you're not able to do these steps, you can directly contact support team, let them know about it, and they're going to help you out find this way. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.